Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's right. This is the 5-egg fried egg sandwich. 5 eggs, sourdough toast, butter. That's it. It's that simple, but it's going to be killer diller. I've done a 3x3. I've done a 4x4. Is that 4? No, it's 5. This is the 5. No cheese. It's the 5-egg fried egg sandwich. Let's put this baby together. Check it out. All right, we got a medium pan. I'm going to put a bunch of butter on there because I'm cooking 5 eggs. You need a lot of butter. So switch that around. Let's put the eggs in. Uno, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That's a baby. There's the 5th one. 5. That's 5. You gotta count them. Let's put some pepper in there. That's it for the pepper. All right, look at this guy. I mean, it's almost like an omelet, but you still have to have separation. You should play a little game like that. We're going to do a whole bunch of flipperoos on this guy when he's ready. Yeah, see, it's still gooey, a little, but it's getting ready. Soon, I say about a minute, we'll do the flipperoo. All right, guess what? A little salt. These babies are beautiful. We're going to flip them. First time I'm going to put this on low. Heidi-ho. Flipper. Look at that one. Flipperoo. I'm not kidding. Flipper dipper. Schmipper. And quadripper. That's the 5ers. Shut it off. Put this baby together. Let's butter this toast. One side. Let's do the other side. All right, the sourdough, lightly toasted. Remember what it is? It's the 5-egger. We're gonna put 5 on them. Are you ready? 1, 2. That's gonna be crazy. 3. It's crazy. 4. That one's falling. Well, don't mess around this time. Just do 5. There's your 5th. Look at that thing. That's crazy. That's the 5-egg sandwich. Flipperoo. Oh, there's me a little presseroo here. Check it. Presseroo. Studio sliceroo. Oh, it's going all over the place. Here's the reveal. I mean, you can already see it. It's crazy. There's your reveal. Let's get a close-up. There is your close-up. That's the 5 fried egg sandwich. Can't wait for taste test. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Look at it. It's 5 fried eggs. No, I can't wait to take a bite. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that thing. That's gorgeous. Look at that. You see it? Look at that. Here's the bite. I'm gonna be honest with you. Tastes like eggs. It's good though. These are Happy Eggs. That's the name of the brand. Organic, pasture raised. I guess they mean that they're happy. The chickens are happy. Happy chicken, happy egg. That's the baby right there. Good protein packed way to start your day. Delicious. More healthier than you think. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time. Peace. Live
life 365.
Now it's starting to get ridiculous, isn't it? 5 eggs. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. That one's acting up. I'm not kidding this time, actually. That's what she said. Never seen anything like it. Doesn't even make any sense. I don't know what to do with his mouth. Wipe your mouth. See, my wife's always wearing a Dodgers shirt because the Dodgers have big game tonight. We'll see.